we go. Let's go.
Nope.
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 No.
We're not going anywhere.
We're not going anywhere. We're not leaving yet. Laura forgot her glasses. Well, while she's doing that, I'll get you guys up to speed. I am trying to get away from the dash cam, more in the field cam work, just because I think it makes for a better video. But today I'm doing the dash cam because we're behind. We got rained out on Monday, and today is now Wednesday. So on Tuesday on Tuesday we mowed Monday's route and 7 off of Tuesday route. So we did 27. Today's Wednesday. We just finished the other 13 off of Tuesday's route, and it is now 12:30. So we are starting on Wednesday's route, and it is Wednesday. The goal is...
Someone should really spray their gutter.
Hey, I'm trying to explain something here. Jeez. The goal is to actually complete Wednesday's route on Wednesday, which means we have 20 more to go today. And we already did 13-ish, give or take.
It's noon.
And it's 12:30.
12:37.
That is a lot. 33 in a day. But hey, we got the super crew. We can do it if we don't pass out from exhaustion. Right?
We'll see.
We'll see. So there you guys go. Now you're up to speed, or you're confused as much as I am. But we are starting on Wednesday route right now. Huh, babe?
Yep.
Got her caught up.
Got the super crew.
The super crew.
You must be super key. Because I was never the super crew.
Oh, we're all super, dude.
Super special.
Super special. So let's go find some lawns to mow. I gotta find a good one to record. I don't know. This
is our
is
last one for Blanca.
Oh, good. Okay. So this is the route where we stop and mow 4. We move 2 blocks. We mow 3. We move 2 blocks. We mow 4, 5, and it's super, super dense. So we can bang these things out fast. So let's go do it. Can we take a break?
Okay.
I think so. Break time, Kay?
Huh?
Break time?
Sure.
Quick break? Get a
I'm
drink?
gonna keep going for another 24 hours.
Okay, well, you might have to. All right, guys, we just knocked out 8 of them in an hour and 45 minutes. It's 2:21. Cranking them out. We got about 10 more to go. Huh?
I don't even know.
It's right in there someplace. I don't know. It's around 20. That's what we always have.
Cambridge done
What's that, Keith?
today. I'll get the north done today.
No, that's tomorrow, buddy. Don't be getting too energetic. We're old.
Yeah, Key, we're old.
I gotta record something for these guys to watch.
I don't know what to tell you.
Huh. I better set up a tripod someplace.
Have
You're gonna
you
have to, I'm gonna slow down 10 seconds to set up a camera.
Have you done Adams?
No, it's hard to record.
You need to get a GoPro, like mount it to the end of the weed eater, and get them all dizzy.
People do that. They do weed eater cams, they do head cams, mowing cams.
You can do any footage you want, Key, and send it to your dad. He'll incorporate it.
Shit, yeah, start recording, Key. We'll get you going.
Don't say that. There's gonna be lasers and all
Look at me.
kinds of stuff.
Camera takeover from KJ with lasers. All right, guys, we're gonna go take a break. We'll be back.
But you're recording the whole time.
mosquito bites like crazy
Oh,
over
maybe
there.
that's what that is.
Yeah, I got bit up
Over where?
at the school.
Really?
Yeah, they're biting the crud out of
Okay,
me.
well, we have bug spray in the back.
Yeah, I might have to use it over there.
Okay.
Well, before anybody asks, because I know they're going to ask, that river in the background is the Snake River. And it is on the headwaters of Hell's Canyon. And some of you may or may not have heard of that. So there you go. Anyways, we're done for the day, guys. We did 30. That's the official number, 30.
And we're tired and sunburned.
And exhausted.
That was the most I think we've ever done in a day.
Yeah, we've done mid-20s several times, but we're 27. But, well, I think we did 27 yesterday. Didn't we? I don't know. Anyways,
But we're
guys,
caught up.
we counted it. We're caught up. We did 30 today. Well, not really, because we had to skip over one because the sprinklers were running. Right, Laura? So we're one behind.
We're one behind, but it's a new one. It hasn't been on the route.
Right.
We weren't sure what day we wanted it on, but
Yeah.
I think we do want it on Wednesdays.
We want it on Wednesdays, and it's a good one, too. It's a nice little preschool. Not little, big preschool.
Yeah.
It's not like a little tiny preschool. It's a big preschool. 2 playgrounds and all that stuff. But so there you go, guys. Sorry about the dash cam. Like I said, I'm trying to get away from it, but we were just in such a hurry today. I actually spent the 30 seconds to set up the camera so we could record a video, watch them mowing, and I picked that house because who doesn't like that backdrop? That's beautiful.
It is a beautiful property.
Which is the backyard to the pasture that Laura and I mowed 2 or 3 videos ago that we were both mowing at the same time. That's the backyard to that house.
So nice.
It's beautiful property. KJ kicked butt today, right, KJ? Yeah.
He's all right. Apparently he's special, superhero, super. What'd you say we were earlier?
We're the super crew.
Yeah, he's super. I didn't get called the super crew before KJ.
Dude, I'm tired. Don't give me a hard time right now.
Mm-hmm.
So, guys, I hope you felt our pain, but we are caught up. Well, one behind, but we're caught up. That's close
We're
enough.
caught up.
That's close enough to caught up. I think it is. Should we call it caught up?
We are caught up.
We're caught up.
Our normal route is done.
We did 3 days worth of work in 2 days. Pounding them out, man. Pounding them out. It's awesome. Pretty proud. Pretty proud of our abilities to be able to do that. For as old as we are.
We're old.
All right, guys.
KJ, you're old.
KJ's not old. He's the glue that keeps us going. That sticks us together. That's what I meant to say.
How come KJ gets all of the
The super
kudos?
glue.
What
'Cause
am
there's-
I, chopped
am
liver?
super glue.
There's
You're
no
super
way
glue.
we'd be able to do that without him. 3-man crews rock. Especially on Route Density. Alright, I'm gonna go, guys. We'll see you later. Bye. You gonna say bye, Laura?
Bye.
Bye. No deuces.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
Oh, okay. I gotta back up.
Oh, Keelan, will you hand me the eggs so that I make sure I get those?
One by one or by part?
One by one's probably a good idea.
Somebody parked their car in the way over here.
Yep.
Get after
I
it.
think I made it though. We're gonna scrape coming
There's
in.
no think. It's either you did or didn't. man.
It'll self clearance when I run into it.
Yeah.
There's the scrape. Perfect. We made it. Yep, watch this. Now we gotta put it right in there. Come on, turn you. There we
All right. See you bright and early in 10 to 7 in the morning. Oh my gosh.
go. You're what?
So
I
we'll
don't
see you
ask
at 10
that
to 7 in the morning.
What are you making for breakfast?
Coffee.
That's close enough. We're there.
What? How does this? I don't understand
We're
this.
still recording.
You put the lotion on the skin.
Oh, stop it.
Man, you're gonna have a great blooper reel.
Did you figure it out?
Well, I think it's in.
Is the
It's
little light
the-
on?
Yes.
Okay,
There's a
then,
little red light.
then it's charging.
Okay, it's charging, Keelan.